Hello dear students, welcome to my channel The Tilok Tutorials. I hope you are all fit and fine and practicing English grammar every single day because you will become more confident to speak English if you practice English grammar every day. And today I am here to discuss about an important poem which has been included in the CBSE Class 10 English syllabus, and the name of the poem is Dust of Snow, which was written by the famous American poet Robert Frost, and I will discuss about this poem in detail. So let's start the class. The poem Dust of Snow was written by the famous American poet Robert Frost. Okay, and he had written numerous poetry collections. He was known for his realistic depiction, and Robert Frost was known for his realistic depictions. Okay, the poem Dust of Snow is a very simple and short poem, yet with a profound and greater or larger meaning. And it is said in the poem that a simple movement has a greater meaning and larger significance. Okay, it is said in the poem that the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here shook means shake. Okay, and hemlock is a poisonous tree with small white flowers. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree with small white flowers. Okay, so in these lines the poet is talking about a winter's day. When all the treetops were covered with white snowflakes. The poet's mood is not good as he is in a bad mood. Okay, and walking by a tree, a poisonous hemlock tree. Okay, suddenly a crow came and sat down on this. Okay, suddenly a crow came and sat down on the top of the hemlock tree, and because of this sudden motion, the mass of snowflakes from the top of the tree fell on the poet. So because of this sudden motion, a mass of snowflakes fell on the poet. Okay, the falling of the snow from the top of the tree is the main subject matter of the poem and also has a larger significance. Okay, now again it is said in the poem that has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Okay, here the difficult words are rued. Rued means regret and saved means to keep something safe from loss or harm. Okay, so in these lines, for some unknown reason, the poet was disappointed and gloomy. So in these lines of the poem, for some unknown reason, the poet was disappointed and gloomy and wasted a part of his day. Okay, in a bad mood, but the shower of dust of the snow lifted his mood instantly. Okay, and so some part of the day was saved by the crow and the hemlock tree, and so some part of the poet's day was saved by the crow and the hemlock tree. The crow and hemlock tree, okay, are believed to be used for negative references. Actually, the crow and the hemlock tree are believed to be negative references, symbol of negative energy. Okay, but the poet used these references positively. Okay, to make the readers understand that inauspicious things. The poet used these inauspicious things. Okay, can bring joy and happiness too. The poet said in these lines that inauspicious things like the crow and the hemlock tree can bring joy and happiness too. Okay, these references must not be taken as granted. Here in these lines, the poet actually want to understand the readers that these references must not be taken as granted, and one should be positive and accept whichever way the nature chooses us to place, and one should be open and accept whichever way the nature chooses us to bless. One should accept openly and with a positive mind. Okay, so in this class I have discussed about the poem Dust of Snow in detail, and if you like this class, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you have any question, then ask me in the description section. I will definitely answer them. So at last, thank you very much for watching this video.